Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami paper bow. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters and scissors, and if you want you can also use a Stanley knife. And we'll start by folding our paper on half. In next step we'll open it, turn it around and fold it again in half. Now we'll open it, flip it over and fold it on both diagonals. Like this. Now we'll open it, and a little fact about me, this is my zodiac sign, and we'll press the middle of the paper upwards and bring the sides of the paper inwards, like this. Now we'll fold this upper corner of the paper, this where all it's tied together, not this one where all it's loose, and we'll fold it centimeters to 2 centimeters downwards and press it down really firmly. Now we will unfold this last step and open our paper, and we'll fold those lines a little bit stronger. Like this. We'll take our paper and push the sides of it downwards, like this, and press the middle part inwards so that it collapses. Like this. And now we'll press our paper down. Now we'll align this shorter straight line with this middle line, so just fold it like this and press it down, and do the same on the other side. And we'll flip our paper over and repeat the same steps. So align this shorter line with the middle line of the paper, and on the other side. Like this. And now we'll open our paper, and we have a square in the middle of it. We'll turn our paper over, and you can take your scissors or your Stanley knife, and we'll cut the line from here with it to this corner right here where the line breaks. Like this. And I will also show you with a Stanley knife. Just be careful because it's very sharp. And again with scissors, just to show you, just follow the lines like this. And now we have two moving parts, as you can see. And we'll take our paper and fold this line of the paper and align it with the middle line. Like this, and do the same on the other side. And now we'll flip these two layers upwards and do the same with the bottom side. So fold it to the center line, and on the other side. Like this. Now we'll fold those two layers, bring it downwards, align it as much as you can, and we'll fold it from here where they are attached and to this corner of the paper. So on one side, on the other side, and now we'll take our scissors and cut our paper on this middle line as far as it goes, or as far as you would like to. And now fold your paper from here where you stopped with the cutting to about middle of the paper. On one side and on the other side, like this. Now we'll flip our bow over and we'll fold this corner of the paper and tuck it into the pocket of a square. So slide it in and press it down, and the same on the other side. And press it down, and this is how you make your paper origami bow. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!